Good morning, the problem is given. Solve the system of equations xy plus yz plus zx equal to 12. Xyz is equal to 2 plus x plus y plus z, where x comma y comma z belongs to real numbers, positive real numbers. So here, those who are new to this channel, like this Olympiad logical problems, are uploaded from this channel. This is the problem given from British Mathematical Olympiad in the year 1998. Mathematics Olympiad from year 1998. So here, pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you get the solution to this problem or not? If not, you can continue the video. So your subscription is very important now because it is a new channel. Okay, you can get the latest updates if you subscribe the channel. So here we are having the logic. Let cube root of xyz is equal to a. Cube root of xyz is equal to a. From am and gm inequality, from am and gm inequality, you can do this problem easily. What you are having, 12 is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. You can write it as a square is less than or equal to 4. A square is less than or equal to 4. So here you are using positive values only. Now if you apply this for the second equation, a cube. So here xyz is given. Xyz is nothing but a cube. 2 plus x plus y plus z is greater than or equal to 2 plus 3 into xyz whole to the power of 1 by 3. Xyz whole to the power of 1 by 3. So here what will get, a cube is equal to 2 plus x plus y plus z greater than or equal to 2 plus 3a. So here also we are taking a cube minus 3a minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So here from 1, a square is less than or equal to 4, and from 2, a cube minus 3a minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. So if you write the factors for this, so here a minus 2 is a factor, and here you will get a plus 1 whole square greater than or equal to 0. So here we want positive real numbers. So a minus 2 is equal to 0, a equal to 2, a value 2. So here from this you can get x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 2 will satisfy the equations. Here it will satisfy x plus y plus z should be 6. X plus y plus z should be 6. If you take x y z is equal to 2, x equal to y equal to z is equal to 2, and xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 12. Here also it will satisfy. 4 4 4 will get 12, and cube root of xyz is equal to a. It is also satisfying here. So therefore this is the only solution. xyz is equal to 2 comma 2 comma 2 is the only solutions you are having. Is the only solution which satisfy all the equations. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.